I'm Johnny. I'm the sales manager here at S3i, and today I'm going to talk to you about the Juliet balcony system. This Juliet system is fairly new to the market. It gives you a very sleek look. It's much better than the more traditional iron railings that you find on most properties. It's very cost effective, it's very strong, it meets building regulations. It's better than most of our competitors in that it's very clever the way that it fixes. We do have a new system also that sits within the reveals of your windows, which then negates the need for this top and bottom rail, giving you an even cleaner look. There are a few different styles that you can choose from. In front of me here is the square option. We do an option for round handrail as well. Overall, we think that our Juliet balconies offer a better quality than any of our competitors. German manufactured, it doesn't get much better. Our team of experts are on hand to offer as much advice as possible. We are the best in the industry at offering expert advice on anything stainless steel, whether it be balustrade products, green walling products, shackles, chain, anything that you can find on our website. We have many years experience in the industry, and don't take our word for it. Have a look at our Trustpilot reviews and you'll find that we've got more happy customers than anyone else in our marketplace. S3i, where everything is better.